Hello, welcome to the stream. I'll be back, guys. Just give me a second. Yeah. Daily, 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 we are reacting from this very value gap here. You see in S&P, the S&P plus. And I see this clear drop here, like at least previous day I should be taken, and then we can look for these high. Okay, and I don't see any Kraken correlation with the previous lows. If you see here, don't have any Kraken correlation here. But the only thing is we are bouncing off of a key level in S&P 500 that we can consider. Uh, We do have this 70 to 10 Q, you see, and previous day high is taken in NQ, and ES still has the high to be, you the high to be taken. 4 hour, where is our day open? It is our day open. So looking at the day open, we don't see any Kraken correlation to set the low of the day there. इसलिए थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा, रुक के देखना पड़ेगा whether this SMT, any Kraken correlation up here might, you know, there was a bearish projection. Yeah, that's the only thing. Right now, I'm not going to, just keep on longing this. Yeah, we are at all-time highs. We can long it, but I need a little bit more confirmation in lower time frames to take any trades over here. Can you guys hear me? My work mic is working. Let's check it. Just give me a second. So yeah, mic is working perfectly fine. Yesterday we have 222 subscribers, someone unsubscribed. New subscribers and one person. I don't know who is that, but um, oh, no sound in Discord. Now I think Discord should be fine. Maybe now the Discord should be fine as well. Yes. Yeah, looking good here. And 9 a.m. like literally gave us a good pump there, but I'm not sure whether the 10 a.m. will also give us a pump. Look at this resistance, like low resistance liquidity down here. I'm not much confident on this, and we also cleared all of these highs. So I'm not sure. What about why today? Just only take a couple guys. Consider this two station wire. Very shutter. And can look previous lows and all of these lows. Then we just quoting which direction you look for the indices. I'm thinking YM takes the previous low and weekly radius to the all-time highs. Yeah, exactly. When I'm looking for that, look at this YM chart. We have this two-stage pattern correlation here, and I just marked the previous low, and then eventually we have this draw as well. So I think at least not here. We should be taking previous low in YM, but let's see. Let's wait and watch. And coming to the ES, yes, we are good to go with all-time highs because NQ, we really got a good push here in NQ, leaving these low resistance liquidity. And the only confidence to long ES here is look at this displacement here we got in NQ. I really think that uh, we can also push higher in ES, but I'm expecting some kind of strength switch. This previous 30-minute low. You see, look at let's see what do we what uh, these five and these has to be taken. Those the no equal distinct. Stay high. We can look for all-time highs in indices. That's what I think. But I'm going to wait a little bit more. I don't want this previous to high to be met before 10 a.m. option. But again, the phase the price is moving. We can definitely hit that gold, gold में क्या है आज? What we have in gold. This low is not yet taken in silver, but we cleared this low. Yeah, getting reaction from this volume imbalance there. I'm not gonna touch gold today because I don't see clear uh, direction. Like we already got a little bit of more expansion in daily candle, so I don't think so. We should be touching the gold today. But if we see any like two stage here, for example, with uh, this SMT and this two stage, as we are having this ESP and this high is taken in gold, then we might think of going shorts in gold, but I'm not sure. This is a little bit of 50 for me. I'm going to stay away from this. Oil, what do we have? We have to be careful on this because of oil, guys. This one stage, something here with this high. Let's see. And this beautiful two stage. We can look for these lows. That's what I think. I want uh, some kind of uh, pullback here to take any trade because I can't risk much. Like, I can't give a large stop loss. Let's see, let's wait. Overall, oil is looking good today. I'm gonna wait another 8 minutes for 10 a.m. open trade. NQ should slow down and ES should start pumping. We might get some strength switch here with NQ and ES so that we can, take trading in ES. Let's wait, guys. Or without any Indian here watching my stream. Like, we got three people, but out of three, we Indian have one now. Nice. We are gonna wait a little bit more. Look at the trends here in silver and gold. Gold is trying to push higher, but silver is like trying to pull back. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, forming this hourly gap in 15 minutes, in another 5 minutes. I'll be waiting for some kind of pullback instead of this hourly gap. And then I might think of trying longs here, but not in Q because NQ might chop around because it already met the drawn liquidity. So it is at all-time highs now. So it might chop around a little bit. So just trying to be careful about that. Oil is looking so good today. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. open in oil. I want to see something like these highs uh, are not looking protected to me. So I want 10 a.m. open, take these highs, then give a change the state of delivery, and then and really over. This change state of delivery should hold the price. But at the same time, these eyes should be taken because these are not protected. I think those should be taken out first. You see the 5 minute, look at these eyes, look at these. I don't think so. Those are the safe eyes to keep a stop loss on. So yeah, want to wait a little bit more. I have this fair value gap in gold, but not much confident on gold today. So I'm going to touch it. I don't see anything. That is 30-minute closure, guys. But I'm not much confident on this 30-minute candle here. That is like little bit of, bit small. I don't think so. That's a good validation of good shorts there. The next hourly candle um, depends on that. I'll wait. We have a lot of room down here, so no need to worry. When if we miss this, we'll be having a lot of opportunities down there. Yeah. Now the 10 a.m. open. It's here in 20 seconds. We have this fair value gap. So I want to see, some kind of strength switch here, like this closes bullish or this closes bearish, and the next candle taps inside of this. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Look at the strength switch here, BSP. Now I don't want any of the asset to, tap into the fair, any one of the asset to tap into the fair value gap. Be so good. Yeah. It you tap. You see four or two stages there, six tap. Much interest on indices. I'll check that. I'll check that. Give me a second. I would love to take uh, long CDS, then NQ, 15-minute two stage, and that's the strength it's there. Okay. But we are going to take it on limit. Whatever happens. Let's do one thing. Get to the 10. Mm. Okay, we are on limit. Stop. Stop in here. And yes, let's see if we can get that push higher. How much are we getting there? Did I? It's the 10 conflict, right? Okay. And yeah, a small dip. The count I'm trading right now is eval 50K. You see, bro, I would have had a look at it, but now I'm in the middle of trade, so I am recording the trade, so I can just, change the tab here. Anything else, guys? We are gonna hold this trade, whatever the outcome is. we're not going to panic and exit in the middle because this is a eval anyways. So I'm not gonna think much of it. So being a little bit aggressive. Not aggressive, I'm just risking 250. So even if I lose, that's my normal risk. I would have risked. So yeah, we had a beautiful stand switch in 15 minutes. So that's the reason I took a little bit of early entry here. Yes, let's hold. Let's hold and see. Look at those SMTs up there in lower time frame. That's because of indicator I have. It automatically marks the SMTs up there. So we are getting even the small SMTs as well. If I would be never mark those. Whatever, just let's concentrate on trade. It's kind of fishy, but that's ES. Can do nothing out of it. Once this high is taken, or whatever, what high is it? Is this a random high? I don't know. Let's put it. Once this high is taken, I think that's a 4 hour. Yeah, yeah, it's a previously high. Once the previously high is taken, I'm going to be break even there. Look at this. Yes, NQ still chopping because of the strength which we got. A lot of people waiting for NQ to short, I think, because of that low resistance liquidity built down there. But NQ is at all-time highs. We can't trust NQ. Like we can't trust on shorts uh, for NQ when it's at all-time highs. You know, it's just keep on pumping. It looks like NQ lost its. So we are going break even here. We are going break even here, guys. Yeah, let's hold it. Now it's like 50 for me because it's a very important key level there, very important liquidity level that's previously high. And now it can, a little bit give us a retracement or consolidate. We can also get stopped out at that retracement or pullback. But let's hope for it to come a little bit, you know, at least till RTP, at least to our 3 minute doing. 3 minute looks good. The way candles are forming without the lower wick, like little bit fishy to me. But yeah, it is yes, not NQ. Sometimes we do see such candles moving in ES. This is, some kind of A plus setup for anyone who trades GXT with a strength switch, remaining drawn liquidity up there, beautiful trades. But now we have a trouble, like we might have a trouble here because we took the previous day high, so we might get a good retracement on this. But we do have a rule. We will take 2 hour or break even, no in between. So just we are gonna hold it. If this trade plays out, I think we are going to end the stream too early today. Let's see. Hope for the best. The NQ is look at the NQ. And it's something like yesterday happened. He entered in NQ and it just kept on, chopping around and yes, just bumped higher. So never repeat the same mistake again. That's what I did today. Like that's how we learn in trading. We do mistakes, we learn. That's how the game goes. That's how the game. But the only thing is like traders sometimes lose because they repeat the same things again and again. And even I did, even I do repeat the same mistakes again and again. Sometimes. I'm getting stronger. Oh, we saw something else before analyzing in YM and it like totally turned out here. Let's hold this yesterday. Not gonna mess around with YM now. I'm already in one trade, holding one trade, so I'm going to do multiple entries at once. Let's hold this ES. ES is looking like kind of little bit good to me, so I'm just going with ES. We met the previous day high. Now we are a little bit of looks like we are a little bit of chopping around here. So let's hold it. Oh, oh, what was that? What was that? Give me a second, guys. Let me see. What can I see this? How much did we lose in that? I was on break even, still I lost $31. Come on, bro. Come on. But that was a beautiful entry though. Like no gonna lie. Very nice entry. Here see the play I'm getting some. It's very nice. That's good. IGV had a what? So these news bro during such war and stuff. USD high taken. Now I'm gonna now I'm going to wait a little bit and see what we got on check. But we do have something here. And use this to stage the Prima very straight as well. But let's see. To the gold as expected, as expected, as expected gold. Come on. Hmm. At least 40-minute ESP. Probably. Next page. This cap to form and then we can think of going short and gold. To do in Q and ES, 15 minute probably gap. I think we tapped 15 minutes. Yeah, we tapped this 15 minute in ES. Now we might think of pushing higher from here. But we need a more confidence to do that because we can't just, go and long at this point. Look at the drop and look at these liquidity down here. Like it's a gold. So these liquidity looks so good to me. But for me, the obstacle to, short here is this 15-minute fair value gap. So once I see this 15-minute fair value gap inversing, then I might try going short here or else I'll be staying bullish in ES. Think it looks so good to me for shorts. Not gonna lie. It's fair value gap here. Let's see how a reaction we get from this level. If we invert that, let's try. Oh. Sorry. Sorry. That was fucking shit. The fuck was that? What the fuck was that? What are these market conditions today, guys? Like, bro, we are getting single candle chopped off. For it. You got a stash here inside of this camp. That was a pretty good entry there. Sure. Thank you doing its thing again, as usual, flopping around after the market open. Then 3 minute was not looking good to me. That's the reason I avoided that 1 minute entry there. But it's only like 1 minute left when I was looking at it, and I don't see the expansion on here. Very cold for sure. Well, I thought we might just stay away. And now we have this crack and correlation down here. 1 minute. So we are pumping off of a key level. This is going to, let's wait. Let's see. Let's see that changes set of delay. We should not hold for, if you want to look long stay. What about the oil? Let's look at the oil. Yeah, we cleared highs as I expected because I don't want it to, these highs to be, you know, these highs, as I said in live stream, you guys can go and check. These highs are not looking affected to me, and those were got cleared now. Now I will be looking for entry. Beautiful. Get this change instead of available. You can look for shorts in oil. Oh, I don't. How much should I? Oh, we had one there on the gap. We are adding one there. If we get tapped, we're going to be staying this. Take note of this. Yes. In oil, I think we missed to add in contract on this gap. Oh, let's hold it. I was not ready for that broken down. That's fine. Maybe we are gonna miss it. I planned of adding one shot there, another contract. I was trying to go in with four, but missed it. That's fine. Yeah, good. Good. Let's hold it. To move my stocks and bodies. Let's hold it for this. Look, we had a like very good plan in here. Oil. It was supposed to be a 3 minute entry. Yeah. But I was open. Like, I was looking at 1 minute, so I just suddenly entered there. I don't know why I did that in Fumble, but yeah, that was an entry. So they would miss that. It's okay. Yeah, coming from this level, yeah. You see the 15 minutes, you will see the there we have a changes rate of delivery plus level gap holding the price. Let's hold it. That's the thing we can do. So once the fair value gap we have there gets inversed, I'll be keeping my stop above the fair value gap, the like high PG, which is basically a break even there, almost break even. So let's hope that should be happening there. Let's see if you create this fair value gap, we should be not bouncing from the one frequent encroachment like 50% basically. Um, Let's not try to use the fancy words here. ये लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं ना भाई वही तो प्रॉब्लम है ट्रेडर्स के साथ मतलब इतना फैंसी फैंसी वर्ड्स है कि इवन दो एट द एंड सब कुछ सिंपल रहता है मतलब जो भी टर्म्स यूज करते हैं वो सब सिंपल ही रहते हैं बट बिकॉज ऑफ दोज वर्ड्स पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज like we might also say that 50% of whatever the fair value cap or whatever the box or whatever the things but whatever order block or anything but we will call it a consequent encroachment. You know, let's make it a little bit fancy and sell things. That's what works nowadays. Let's make it a little bit fancy and let's sell it. This is what I was not expecting to happen. Should not bounce from that 50% of the value gap. Yeah, close it down, down, so another 16 seconds. Yeah, it could close, but 30-minute new candle is open here. 10:30 candle basically. Now let's see how this 30-minute candle will be. What this 30-minute candle should be doing here. According to me, it should push lower. Looking at the previous candle, that what makes it a little bit fishy here. Like look at this previous 30-minute candle with a very large wicks and the smaller body. That's a negative condition of a candle. We should be staying away from that candle, like those type of candles, because those type of candles never show a clear expansion sometimes. Sometimes, most of the times, I would say. Let's see. Let's hold this. Let's see. Pushing higher. We had perfect planning. So that's the reason I'm still holding it, or else I would be at break even now. But okay, gap. Yes, payment level gap. Sorry, the payment change instead of delivery. Okay, fancy word there, but yeah, it's not a block. It is not delivery anymore. Now we should see a reversal from there. Let's see. Let's hold it. I was thinking of entering it, but this changes set of delivery. Now, as it never gave a tap, uh, even though we, flushed a little bit lower and the new 30-minute is open now, we might get a tap to this changes set of delivery and, reverse from there. But who knows? Let's hold it. 5 minutes. We are almost investing 5 minutes. Let's see. Push it down. We are holding it. Play some music, right? We are seeing something as expected, but let's not consider it right now. We still need a more confirmation. Once the oil turns, it will just go on pushing like it will just no one can stop oil sometimes. But we have to get that turn back. That's the thing. It's going to take a lot of time. Let's hold it, guys. I literally had a peak watching today, seven watching, and again we dropped back to the floor. Make sure to, like and subscribe to the channel, guys. We had 222 subscribers yesterday, and today 221. We are going down when it comes to subscribers day by day. It should be increasing, guys. We had a beautiful 5 minute inversion as well, but I don't know why it's taking too long to, reverse that level. That's the only thing, that's the only change in state of delivery which can hold the price and push it lower at this point. Let's see. And there's no point of, keep on pushing in there. Yeah, bro. I've conducted multiple payouts as well. Not a big payouts, not a big payouts. Yeah, small, but we are starting good. Not absolutely not a big payout. To be honest with you guys, not gonna lie. That is it. What is the time and what is the market doing right now? Slow as fast. It is like overnight markets, like the all day overnights, agent sessions ranging in the after market close, market ranges. It is looking like that. Study CRT trader or three trades and three trades and Garrett's GXT. It is like TTFM and the other what GXT. GXT is a little bit different, but TTFM somewhere resembles with you know CRT. Basically. Not entirely, but somewhere it looks like similar as CRT. To get a closure below that opening price with a replacement, or else these opening prices are little bit acts like some kind of obstacle sometimes. So I'm like, but I've been studying about 5 years CRT and T trades. That's very nice, bro. That's very nice. You have given 5 years to get information and collect data and for studying. That's impressive because I myself gave 3 years and 2 3 years I never touched any fund at a console, never traded any funds. So that's good. That's how it should be. Learn first and then trade. What are we having here, guys? Look at that chop. Minute, no, 10-minute close. Better, but yeah, the payment is open. Let's see. Let's see. Is it 30 minutes candle or candle of 4 H4? What? I didn't get your question, bro. Is this 30 minutes candle the first candle of 4 hours? First 30 minutes is over. Like, I usually trade 10 a.m. So 10:30 is over. Now it's 10:30 is candle like 10:30 to 11 if you're looking at it this way, 30-minute candles. What? Yeah, I was not expecting this in all the crude oil. Sometimes crude oil runs like anything. No hold this because I had a plan over here, so just going to hold it. Win or lose, totally fine. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Take care. Make sure to subscribe the channel, bro. Me, Primer, Millions here. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the stream. That's the gift you guys can give me if you want to. Look at it, guys. We have something here. Something came up, something announcement. Look at this. That's the reason we had that very fast movement up there. Look at this. Gold rises while oil slips market. What is going on nowadays in market? The fuck? Like, are these markets safe to trade nowadays? I don't know. The spikes up and down, bro. At least something is happening. I felt like at least moved some ticks up or down because previous 15-minute candle was just, you know, moving there like chop. This is a huge lot of chop in 1 minute. If you see, anyone would have, got frustrated in 1 minute. But the cool thing is we are trading in a 3 minutes, so we are, we can see a little bit couple of less candles chopping around. So we feel like, okay, that's fine. We can handle it. But in 1 minute, that's huge lot of chop you see here. Look at this chop, guys. Look at this chop. So, you know, anyone would have caught up at that point. So if we get this change instead of delivery here, I'm gonna move my stop above this high to reduce the risk. Let's see if we get that. We still have 1 minute remaining. Let's see if we get that push or it continues pushing higher there. Where we do have a correlation between us and gold. I don't think so, bro. I don't see for a correlation between gold and indices. I don't see anything for any correlation. There might be some fundamental correlation, but I don't see any technical correlation there. I don't refer those two and rely on those to take any trades. That's what I mean. I don't rely on gold and ES or gold and NQ to take trades on any of these assets. I better look for gold with silver and NQ with ES, YM and RTY. That works. Okay, again we are slowed down here. We slowed down again here. I don't know. This 30 minute will again, I think, end up chopping here. We still have 8 minutes to go. We need push either side. We can't just stay on chopping. Yeah. So, that's shitty price action, bro. Hmm. ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. Well plan, oil. Oh, whatever happens now. At 10 a.m., 1 hour candle go out like bro, very shitty today. But let's see. Yeah, we are looking for another trade anyhow. Okay, so we cleared some internal low, sorry, intermediate low here. You see, I think I'm gonna just let's give it a little bit room and reduce half of our risk there. I just reduced half of my risk there, and let's hold it to the CP. So, like as I said, we have a small, not a small actually, it's a little bit pretty much bigger. So if we inverse this fair value gap, I might come break even because basically this fair value gap should hold the price the inversing. Uh, that's what I think. Let's be careful. Yes, for all of these drawings here, uh, those are mandatory. Let them be there. Another 15 seconds to go. Let's see if we can get inverse that fair value gap or not. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, we are on a risk-free trade. We're on a risk-free trade now. Let's hold this. This is looking better than before previous half an hour. The thing is, we might get a tap to that changes state of delivery what I've marked after 10:30. So we might also get stopped out at break even while we are tapping that changes state of delivery. Because this is lunch hour, whatever we entered, like whatever we are gonna enter on 11 a.m. So we should be careful of that as well. But anyhow, the we already took a precaution. We already got a stop to the break even. The only thing is now we are gonna just stay watching what the market does. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Need 30-minute open. The previous 30-minute looks kind of okay, but I don't like the wick what it formed. But expecting good output from this 30-minute. But let's see. We are at 11 a.m. Basically, the time I should be trading is over. But again, we are in a trade and the trade is risk free. So why not hold it? Neither am I. Getting sleepy, bro. Look at the price action. Barely moving. Oh, fuck. What is happening here? 1 minute. Look at these candles here. Yeah. Whatever happens, either we get out at break even or 2 hours. That's all this. How do we have correlation between us and gold? Do we have no, bro? We don't have any correlation. I think I read it late, but we don't have any correlation with gold and indices. Fundamentally, we might have some correlation, but not technically. So I would never consider it as a confluence or anything to take a trade. So no correlation for me. Come on now, give us a push. Still, the 1% is watching. Bro, bro, who is that 1%? Oh, 3 are here. Thank you so much, guys. Let me see what's going on in YouTube. People are watching still. If any one of you guys comment, I might think of giving away a account maybe. I know you guys will never gonna comment, so that's the reason I said that I'm not gonna give any accounts. We'll announce if we have any giveaways going on. Don't consider it. What? Yes, 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 yes. Let me check what's going on in ES. On 10, what's the time? 10:24. From here? Oh, 1024 from this candle. Bro, price action today, I don't like it at all in any of the assets. I'm learning so much from your live streams. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's the best compliment I have ever received from my viewer. Just make sure to like the stream and subscribe it if the live stream is helping you guys. I think you might be in from this opening price of this candle and still holding for 2 hours, but this chop here, bro, that's terrible. Like I the safest way this should be traded, I would be gone break even once this high is taken out and I will be out for break even. But I don't know how you're still holding it, but good, like that's so good if you're still holding it. All the best for you. I think you should be hitting your TP now. But mine is still chopping, guys. Mine is still chopping, bro. I don't know what's wrong with oil today. It's still chopping, and I'm still holding it. I'm gonna hold it to the break even or to the TP. That's the full night here, bro. Come on. It's so tragic today. It's so tragic today. That consolidation from the few was short. I don't know, bro. Like transaction today is very slow in oil as well. I was not expecting this slow price action. I never seen oil being this slow on the active market opens, like market hours. What the fuck is this, bro? I just send the stream and go. Let it do whatever it wants. What's the time? It might get stopped, but I take it. We can get this stopped, but at least I want that to happen, bro. I don't want to keep on just moving around in between my stop loss and PP. Percent of that. Yes, we had a beautiful trade, but something announcement came out and then we just after that. But this, man, this is looking good, but for the chop, I don't want to just stay in this chop. Even if I get a break even, I'll be happy at this point. Can't do all that. We can't do. I don't wanna. I don't wanna hold it so. And again, I don't wanna close it as well. Come on now, come on now. Take it out, set break even. Come on now. Come on, take it out. Take us out, take us out. That was very unusual there, but maybe what it is. Slightly above the inversion. What a chop. I'm still doing chopping around. Okay. Okay, get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready to take that break even. Here we go. Three, two, three, two, 2.5. Come on. Take this out. Three, two, 2.5, 1.5, one. Yes. Yes. What? 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 It will turn out, no doubt. I can't be this lucky, bros. Can't be this lucky. No, that I wanted to take out, bro. Come on, I'm like really frustrated. I wanted to take me out at break even. I wanted to. After waiting a long, bro, I would have. got rapid TPs till now. I had a way more cleaner trades where I've got a rapid, you know, TPs in a minute. But this market is going nowhere, literally nowhere. See, see, the single candle is taking a huge time to, just move a tick or two. Come on. Look at the range of that candle. It's very tiny, no? Don't want that to happen. Just take me out. Take me out. Just take me out. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Oil, for taking me out that break even. That was a good trade plan, but I don't know what happened. Yeah. I don't know what happened there. Again, into chopping, S&P 2. Let's see if he got anything more. These long wicks here, not healthy. Not at all healthy. Not at all healthy. That's not at all healthy. I'm gonna wait for till 11:30 and see what the market does. That is, get this chart coming back in the range. That high not getting cleared in years. Not a best day to trade for me. The chop, bro. They're not moving in any asset, any of the assets, any of those. It's inverted of here. I marked it on yes. Let's see. Because these are evals, so I don't want to say. I think I'll get stopped out here very soon. Okay, okay. Okay, we are gonna still move over to that inversion. If we are. So we opened a new candle at the wrong time. Okay, let's hope for a push up there. These highs. That's a very short scalp on I'm trying to do, but I don't know if we can push higher or not. Let's see. New candle open, bro. That was that become anything on this. Now it will form a low and set a low and then push higher. That's the problem there. I get stopped out here. r- r- Oh, that's still good. Let's talk about here. Yeah, 225. Yeah, I got forcefully taken that trade on eBay. Right. What did I get? Trade. That was a yeah, all right, getting that tone back there. Thank you. Long it from here. Yes. See, just try this if we get. I don't know if we are getting that tap or not. Thank you. Give us a tap. Give us a tap, or I'll enter market execution on this invoice and EDS when that works. But the NQ is not going to give us a tap, I think. I was looking for a tab before that equal highs gets cleared. Come on, bro. We are gonna get tapped. What? What the fuck was that? Bro, bro, what the fuck was that? Actually, with it, I think we'll get it now on this candle, at least. We should get it on this candle. Come on, NQ. Here we go. We missed it, I think. We missed it. Maybe, maybe, maybe. We need to market execute on this. And mm, oh yeah, coming there. Come on, at least give us a tap this time. Okay, so we didn't even get this 3 minute tap. Okay, let's consider this 3 minute. So change it up a little bit here. This. So okay, and we got that tap. Thank you, but we cleared these highs. That's a problem. But let's see. We can push higher. NQ is now turning. Uh, sorry. EX is now turning. Yes, looks like it's gonna go. Very. This is a 5 minute tap. Have this family changes set of delivery as well. Let's hope for good now. So, do something in here. Do something. Move somewhere. Move up, move down, move, do something. Do something at least. Don't chop. It should be higher, but I don't know. Yes, is pumping higher. Yes, is Stop below this low here. So the fixed is set up with 3 minutes. 3 minutes C2 and yeah, set up C3 now. Looking so good, but if this is low of these 15 minutes, the current candle should expand, or else it will come back and create a low once again and then push higher. So down slowly again. Let's see. See, as expected. The only thing now can hold is if this is not a break of block, high is here. They're still inside of range. But it's so clean that I would anytime punch will put here. It's not much confident on 3 minutes as the previous candle closed. So holding holding it safe. 2 minutes is so good. Not gonna lie, 2 minutes is so good. Not as much as good as 1 minute is not as much as good as 2 minutes. That's what I'm saying. 3 minute is total was previous candle was total rubbish for me. Not gonna lie. But the good part is ES is turning bullish. That's a good part. We also inverse this gap here. So it might be the ES pushing higher now and the same as Yen Q as well. On this change instead of 11 if you go over the price. Oh, that's a pretty kind of okay closure there. No, I'm not sure if that holds or not because this is not, I would not consider this as a displacement. So here should now start pushing higher as we got that inversion. Looking good, ready to push higher. Yes, is looking, looking good, ready to push higher, but not sure it's gonna happen in years. Again, just chopping around. What's the time? 12:51. Sorry, 11:51. We are about to enter the lunch hours, 12 p.m. So that's a problem again there. Let's hold it now. We reduced loss as much as possible at this point. The price, as the price is moving in a range, we might get stopped out here as well. But let's hope for good. Way below this, yeah, safe zone. Because of this. Hmm. What's wrong with NQ and yesterday, bro? And even with oil, even oil was just fucking around. Yeah, what to say, this is over there, but NQ said no. Thank you, bro. I don't know which Prajwal is this. I have a lot of friends named Prajwal. We are gonna get very small focus here. Very small, very small. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, or else I should get exit penalty. What both the thing? How do you know I work in IT? Which Prajwal are you? Which Prajwal are you, bro? If you are from my hometown, you will be not talking this politely. I know that. We just. Oh. Oh. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ I exited. I exited. Whatever, bro. Come on. What the? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What? I did I get exit? ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಇದುವರೆ ಯಾರ ತನಕ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್. No dedication because I like what I like this. Like I can manage both. It is dedication, but again, uh, thank you. Closed already. Thank you. Just chopping around. Yes, just chopping around. Nothing left. Nothing left. We are about to enter the lunch hours in another 3 minutes. So just that's it for today, guys. We took few trades in which like I almost chopped out at one. Uh, that is oil, and oil was pretty much slow, more slow than I expected, and what and NQ one break even and one small loss. Not a small loss actually. Where did we lose today? I think it was in ES. Yes, we had a 250 loss in ES. So yeah, that's fine. That's a good game. We'll get it back tomorrow. No worries. So for now, there is nothing left on any of the assets. So see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.